This is a baby jump. Like, it's not even a jump, like it's a hill. But every time I've hit this thing, which honestly I've only done twice, I have literally come off of my bike and it's terrifying. My whole body lifts up, but it's exhilarating and I have so much fun doing it. Honestly, I'm an amateur, I'm terrified. So I'm just trying to have a little bit of fun. So I asked my husband yesterday, what do I do to try to keep my body on the bike? And he was telling me to clench it with my ankles, with the heels. So we're gonna try that. I'm probably gonna fail, honestly. I'm probably gonna chicken out because yesterday I caught so much air that I'm scared to death now. But anyway, that is the goal. Pray for me. I know it seems so stupid to you guys, but I'm literally like, I'm a little afraid. I don't want to get hurt. I certainly don't want to hit a tree. I'm worried. Sorry, I certainly don't want to hit a tree. I'm worried because when I come off of it and I come down, you know, the handlebars want to do that. And so that's what I'm afraid of. And the bike is so new. If I hit something, if I crash something, like I'm just afraid. So pray for me, please. Don't laugh at me either. All right, so I'm super disappointed. I don't know what's going on. I guess because the tire was kind of catching and spinning out. Not spinning out, but coming out a little bit. It just kind of intimidated me. I think the fact that my husband was riding at the same time, I was worried that he was going to come around the corner. And this just goes to show you that, like, not every day you're going to be with it. Yesterday was probably the second time I hit that jump. I was so relaxed. It was great. It was exhilarating. I had the GoPro on, thought I captured it. Was so excited to show you guys. And then I realized that the battery was dead and I got literally nothing. And of course it was the one time that I was like super into it. And then today, it's just an epic fail, but hey, it's the way it goes.